Hey Geek, so I've had the Panasonic Lumix S5IIX full frame camera for a little over 2 years now at the time of this video. And for me, it is the closest to a quote-unquote perfect camera that I could think of for my needs. And it's just simply an amazing camera, especially for creators like myself who primarily do video. And I am not a professional by any means, but this camera gives me all the things that I wanted. And then it offers just so many features, especially when it comes to video, that I feel like I have years and years left before I could even get close to mastering this camera. And even then, this is a camera that I could grow with for many years to come. And the reason why that is so important is because at the end of the day, regardless of all the new gear that's coming out and constant changes in technology, you want something that actually allows you to work for you as a tool, because at the end of the day, regardless of what it is, these are all tools that allow you to create, express yourself, and also learn and grow. And Panasonic simply delivers, especially with the S5 II, and this is the S5IIX, because the main thing that I got this for was the simple fact that I really did love Panasonic. I had a Panasonic Micro Four Thirds camera, the G85, but it was missing that all-important autofocus, specifically video autofocus. And ever since the S5 II, S5IIX, and all Lumix cameras since then, it has this phase detect hybrid system, and that got rid of the biggest weakness. And then Panasonic, being who they are, have consistently and always provided the best video features for your money. And I was able to get that here. And it's not just features for the sake of features. It's actually stuff that is useful. Some of which I didn't know that I would really love using. Some of the features that I use regularly are things like Open Gate, which I didn't think was that important until I started using it. Things like hybrid zoom, which really is pretty amazing to me, especially considering the clarity that I get with the zoom. And then real-time LUTs. This is really important because if you do have different looks, different color grades that you want to use, this will save you a ton of time. And of course, the things that Panasonic has always been known for, fantastic image stabilization, still the best out of all the brands out there, and solid build, and tons of video codecs features, video assist tools, and also things like anamorphic support, stuff that I have not even gotten close to learning how to use. And Panasonic has continually provided firmware updates that make this camera feel like a new camera. I mean, the last big update they had, they provided MP4 Lite, and that was a format that I didn't know that I needed, but this really allowed me to use Open Gate more often. And the image quality out of Panasonic cameras, to me, is just simply amazing. And I have owned other cameras before, specifically the Sony A7 IV full frame camera. And as much as I really enjoyed using that camera, the Lumix S5IIX is just the perfect one for me. It's just so many things that it provides. And I just can't say enough about this camera, and also the Panasonic brand in general. So those are my thoughts on the Panasonic S5IIX full frame camera 2 years into it. I still feel that even today, in 2026 and beyond, it is still a fantastic camera that I think very few people would have complaints about, especially if you are a video creator. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other cameras that you've enjoyed using, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode.